In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leave in Outlook Calendar. If you want to mark time off in your calendar so co-workers can clearly see that you'll be unavailable. Outlook makes this very simple. Setting up leave correctly helps avoid confusion, makes scheduling easier for everyone, and ensures your status is reflected clearly in your calendar. To begin, open Outlook on your device. Once Outlook loads, look for the Calendar section and click on it. This will take you away from your inbox and into your calendar view, where you can create and manage events, meetings, and time away. When you're inside the calendar, click New Event. This opens the event creation window, where you can enter all the details for your leave. In the title field, type Leave. You can also customize the event details as needed. For example, you can adjust the time settings, review the calendar it's being added to, and make sure the entry looks the way you want. Keeping the title clear and simple is helpful, so anyone viewing your schedule immediately understands what the event is for. Next, select the dates for your leave. Choose the date when you'll be away, and then set the date for when you'll return. Be careful here to make sure the date range is accurate, especially if your leave covers multiple days. Taking an extra moment to confirm this can help prevent scheduling conflicts later. After that, look for the option to mark the event as out of office. This is an important setting because it tells Outlook to display your availability differently during that time. Instead of showing you as free or simply busy, it clearly indicates that you are out of the office, which is useful for anyone trying to book meetings with you while you're away. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your leave will now appear in your Outlook calendar, and your time away will be clearly blocked out. This makes it much easier for others to recognize that you won't be available during those dates. A helpful tip before you finish is to quickly review the calendar entry after saving it. Make sure the title, date range, and out-of-office status all appear correctly. That quick check can save you from having to edit the event later. And that's it. You've successfully added leave in Outlook Calendar, and your schedule is now updated to reflect your time away.